Samsung seems to have run out of fresh ideas. Just months after launching the Galaxy A56, leaks about the upcoming Galaxy A57 5G are already here, and honestly, it feels more like a recycled update than a true sequel. According to Galaxy Club, the Dutch publication that broke the early details, Samsung's so-called next-gen mid-ranger might just be the same old phone with a new name and a slightly tweaked processor. At the heart of this upgrade is the Exynos 1680 chip, Samsung's latest attempt at keeping its mid-range series relevant. But here's the problem. The benchmarks tell a less than impressive story. As spotted on Geekbench, the Exynos 1680 model S5E8865 scored around 6,330 points in the OpenCL test, which is actually lower than its predecessor, the Exynos 1580. Yes, you read that right. The new chip performs worse in certain tests. It comes with an 8-core setup, including a supposed Prime core at 2 GHz and a Samsung Xclipse 550 GPU based on AMD's RDNA 3.5 architecture. On paper, it sounds fancy, but in practice, it looks like Samsung simply underclocked the chip to make it seem more power efficient. Translation: less power, less heat, but also less performance. And then there's the camera. Samsung apparently decided to copy and paste the same 50-megapixel main sensor from the A56. According to Galaxy Club, there's little to no chance of a real camera improvement because Samsung doesn't want to compete with its own Galaxy S25 FE. So instead of giving users better photo quality, they're giving us the same camera setup wrapped in new marketing. It's like selling last year's leftovers as a new recipe. The display isn't changing much either. Still a 6.7-inch Super AMOLED panel, still 120 Hz, still the same specs we've seen over and over again. The design will likely stay flat and minimal, but at this point, it's less of a design philosophy and more of a lack of creativity. Even the battery remains at 5,000 milliamp hours with 45-watt charging, which is fine, but not exactly thrilling when rival brands are pushing 65-watt and beyond. Samsung's strategy for 2026 seems clear. Make tiny changes, give them big names, and hope no one notices. Sure, the company will claim that the Exynos 1680 is more efficient and optimized for 5G. But if benchmarks are already showing weaker performance, what exactly are we supposed to be excited about? According to reports, the Galaxy A57 5G is expected to launch in March 2026, with pricing likely around $399 to $449, depending on the region. So yes, it'll probably sell well because it's a Samsung, but innovation? That's missing in action. If you already own the A56, don't expect the A57 to blow your mind. It's more like a patch update pretending to be progress.